Hello, I'm Dr. Sakir Ahmed and you are most welcome to my YouTube channel. Which diet is anti-inflammatory? You'll be surprised that whatever you eat will invariably change your immune system. Even if you drink a glass of water, every time you brush your teeth, millions of bacteria are entering your body and they will have some influence or another changing your immune system, making some pro-inflammatory or anti-inflammatory changes, but most of them are benign and they will not lead to any disease as such. However, there are lots of myths regarding this food. Yes, it is true. Maybe 1000 years ago, people said if you eat less, your arthritis goes down. That is true. But nowadays we have so good medicines. You don't have to starve yourself to death to control your arthritis. If you are being treated well, you can have anything and everything. There are certain exceptions, like in the case of gout. In case of gout, a very high nucleic acid containing diet such as red meat or seafood may precipitate a gout attack. But again, you'll be surprised to know things such as a soft drink can also precipitate a gout attack because it has increased sugars. So what actually you should be looking at is the amount of processed carbohydrates, mainly sugars and salt. Sugars directly will not cause inflammation, but they will lead to obesity. And obesity leads to various adipokines, which are like small chemical messengers which predispose to inflammation. Such as, we know a person who is obese or overweight, they have higher tendency of atherosclerotic heart disease. Why? This is also an inflammatory phenomenon because there is inflammation of the arteries and they get clogged. Similarly, what does salt do? Our common salt contains a lot of sodium, and when there is a lot of sodium in our body, it causes excretion of a helpful element, that is potassium. And when potassium levels come down, there is one certain molecule in the body called the inflammasome which gets activated. Again, that inflammasome causes all kinds of inflammation in the body, including, yes, you know it, heart attack. That is why people say don't take too much salt, it will cause hypertension, it will cause heart attack. And since it is causing activation of the inflammasome, not only heart attack and various atherosclerotic disease, it will also lead to various autoimmune diseases. So if you want to stay away from diseases, minimize processed sugars and minimize your salt intake.